Alright guys, in this video I am going to show you guys how to add a search bar right here. So let's say that you want to add a search field so the user can type a name of their friend and find their profile easy. Then I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and also how to make a simple side navigation menu. So first things first, the search. So search. So what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to be creating a new menu button, and the class of this is has form, since the input is actually part of a form. Now inside here we actually need to make a div before we start making, our different columns. And this div, the class of this is going to be row and collapse. So this is our row, and inside here we're going to have, well, of course we need 12 columns, don't forget that, but we're going to break it up into two sections really. The input is where the user types, whatever they want, the name of their friend, whatever they're looking for, and also a button that's going to be on the right, and whenever they click it, it's going to start searching. So div class, and the first one will be medium. I'll just change this to 8 columns, and let me make my other one real quick. So this first one is going to be for the input, and the second one is going to be for the button. So in the input one, just type input and type text. I don't know why you would really have anything else, no passwords or anything. Or actually you may if you want to put the login up there, but for the placeholder I'll put like a find friends. Alright, so the input's taken care of, looking good, and for the button, we just make a really simple area checked. What? Alright, so href, and for the class we'll just say alert button expanded, and you guys are going to see what that is going to look like. And what text you want to appear on your button, we'll just say search. Looking good. So there we go. Let me refresh this and check it out. So this entire search section is actually a new menu item. Well, we broke it up into two different column sections. This one is 8 columns wide, and this one on the right is 4 columns wide. So I don't know, maybe you want to search for Bucky, hit search, and then it'll search for Bucky. Alright, so the next thing I want to show you guys is this. So this is our top navigation right here where it says nav. Now let me scroll down, and underneath this I'm going to show you guys how to add a simple side navigation. And actually, let me do this. Let me delete this all, so I'll make things a little bit, easier on you guys. So I'm going to add a div, a class, and a row. And inside here, let's break up this example into 3 parts. So we'll have the side navigation on the left, and it will take up like 4 columns, and then we'll have some other stuff on the right. So I'll just say medium, 4 columns, and actually let me just add another big section on the right. Since we're not going to really be putting anything in here, we'll just say right side. And give it a background color of 2, whatever that color is. So the actual menu is going to go on the left hand side right here, so let's go ahead and get started on that. So it's going to be an under list, and the class of this is going to be side nav. Now inside here we're just going to have a bunch of different list items with links inside, and I'll just say like children games. What's this website going to be? We'll make this website so anyone can go to it, kids, adults. So we'll have some games for children, and then we'll have some adult videos right there. So something that kids can enjoy as well. And I'll show you guys another cool thing. Alright, let me put logout at the bottom. So what I like to do whenever I'm making my navigation menus is I like to have all my links, and then for links that they don't click that often, I like to add a divider And in order to do that, it's just the class divider. So this is just a little line, a horizontal line, and it just helps, differentiate between different sections. So let me refresh this and show you guys what's going on. So this is the left section right here, and Foundation actually gives you a bunch of cool functionality, being that when you hover over it, then you don't actually have to go over to the text. Then it's actually block level elements and a cool little background too. And here's the right side just like that, and this little line, that's the divider I was talking about. So of course you may want to style this so it doesn't look this awful, but that's the basics of how to add search menu to your top navigation, and also how to add a left menu with dividers and whatever snazzy other thing you want to add to it. You can do that as well. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.